Speech types will always default to alliterations. Alliterations is the only figure of speech that you can search on. Using filters, you can select the part of speech, word type, and the letter subgroups when they are displayed. This will allow you to be more specific in your searches. Using word types will also let you be more specific when you review the other parts of speech. For example, here we are looking at all positive, intense adjectives that are alliterations in the subgroup of PL. We can change the part of speech to noun, adverb, or verbs. Let's take a look at similes and some examples of different word types. Here we can get specific, such as a search for a simile that relates to positive people. You can also filter by syllable. Intensifiers is a unique collection of intense descriptive words that can't be found anywhere else. Here again, selecting the part of speech, word type, and usages will help you to be more specific. Double-clicking on any entry will collect it.